Alright guys, so we're back. I was on vacation the last couple days. I did do a trade yesterday. I made 2 trades yesterday and I lost 50 bucks. I'll end up recapping those trades. So today I'm just jumping in this now. I'm looking at the 5-minute SPY. It almost reached all-time highs. 339.08 was the all-time high of the SPY. I was waiting for this thing to pull back, and I missed this bounce off of the 200 moving average. But I still want to get in this because this thing is just 65. I want to see what this, I wanted to do a 5-minute candle trade. Well, let's see what this next 5-minute candle does. I think I'm going to get in this now. I didn't get filled on that. 66. Man. Thought I would have got filled on that. Well, it's going up. So if I can get in at 69 and do a quick scalp. Oh, I want to sell a market. I don't want to sell yet. I want to let this thing push up a little more. At least to the 50 moving average, or close. Nope, not yet. I know this thing's still got some good upward potential because it pulled all the way back and it's making new highs. I don't like trading. The 1 minute scares me. But I'm going to take a look at it anyways and see what's going on. I think I'm going to get out right here. Just because I want to do a quick scalp. I've been holding too long. I've been holding these positions too long. And that hasn't been working out for me. So I couldn't trade this off the open, but I was watching it. It ripped. It opened here at 338.35, and then it shot up 1 cent from the all-time high is 339.08. So it hit 339.07 right here. Look at this push up. 339.07, and then it pulled back. So I've noticed on the SPY, the one thing I've noticed is that SPY respects the 200 moving average and the 50 moving average more than anything. It respects this line so much. Mainly on the 5-minute. But it definitely respects both these lines. So I said to myself today, if it's going to get down to either one of these and look like it's going to bounce, then I'm going to take advantage of that. I had to go away from the computer, and I was watching this candle, and if I could have caught it down here, I would have put an order in down here. Well, let's see how much I made today. So $8, $7.40. I was at $7.75. I still have $61.65 of settled cash. I thought I was gonna make about 20 bucks, but $8 is good enough for me. It's still in the plus. I still have $61.65 of settled cash. I might be able to buy another option and let it ride. The SPY was really choppy the last couple of days. And I'm going to go over my trade from Monday too. So that was a quick scalp. 10 contracts. Let's see. Yeah, I thought it would have been more than $8, but you know what? I'll take $8. It's still in the green. Where is it? Order history. So it was a couple minutes, and I only sold. So I bought at I had a limit for 69, and I got filled at 67. That's pretty good. The 339 calls. I mean, the 338 call would have been more of a return, but it was more expensive. If the call could be under $100, that's what I'm looking for the premium to be under $100. That way I can at least buy 5 or 6. I like buying the 10 contracts at a time. But it only moved up a penny, so I made $1 per penny times 10, so $10 minus the fees. So that's why it comes out to $8. It's about $1 each for 10 contracts to buy and sell. And I'll show you guys my trade from Monday, my 2 trades from Monday. These, I just came back from vacation. I wasn't thinking about what I was doing, and yesterday I just ended up trying to buy into the push up. Let me see where I bought. This is the 1 minute. Yesterday on for the August 17th contract, so they expired that day. So they were cheap, $30 a contract right now. So let's see what happens on the 5 minute. This is around 9:50, so the market just opened 20 minutes ago. I want to just fast forward to where I get into the contract. And I keep doing this with the SPY. I keep buying at the high for a call. It's like the third time or fourth time I did this. I have to really stop focusing on this 9 moving average, because it seems like this line is more respected for penny stocks. It seems like the SPY doesn't really, even the VWAP, it doesn't really it kind of just goes up and down through it with ease, without any hesitation. So today's Tuesday. I made $8. I lost 50. So I'm still down $42 for the week. Overall, I'm still up for my initial deposit into this account, which was $600. I'm still up $130 or $40. So I want to buy the price is at $3.38, which I'm not even looking at the whole dollar. I mean, this is like a key price right here, the whole dollar, the 50-cent mark, the half dollar, for stocks that are this expensive. And I just started this options. I just started trading altogether a couple months ago. I'm a fairly new trader. And this is basically a practice account for me. I am trying to grow this account. My goal is $1,000. I'm a couple $100 short of that, but I'll get there. I just got to keep at it and not rush the trades, and just think about my entries and exits. So did I get filled right there? Yeah, I think I do get filled. So working. So of course it bounced down, and I should have did a quick scalp. Oh no, I didn't get filled there. So this is working. I'm trying to buy at 25. The ask is 26. And I trade the SPY. Oh, I'm just going to pause this. There's a couple reasons why I trade the SPY. One, it's a ETF. It's the 500. Well, this is an ETF of the S&P 500. So this is very, it's got a lot of volume, it's very liquid, and it's very consistent. The stock doesn't fluctuate too much. It's not going to drop to $10. And the price of the contracts are in my price range, and also the spreads on the bid and ask are usually 1 penny. So like Tesla, that has a big spread for options, it's pretty big, so you can get filled anywhere in between. This is fairly easy to get filled around the bid and sell around the ask, but usually I do get filled on the ask and I sell on the bid. So that's what I usually look for. And when I'm in a trade, I'm not really looking at the price of the stock itself. I'm looking at the price of the option at the premium which I got in at, and then I'm watching if the premium goes up and how much it's going up. So I'm trying to buy at 26 cents. It's on the ask. Well, now the ask is 27. So I'm just kind of chasing this thing. In my eyes, this thing is gonna break the the daily high, which is 338.17, because I'm seeing higher highs and higher lows right here, and it still looks like it's going up. All the moving average lines are trending up. So I did get in there. So I ended up getting filled at I just caught it at 26 cents. So I got filled. I could have scalped right there and made I could have made $5. But this is really slow. I've noticed that this bid and ask up here is a lot slower than the bid and ask over here. My problem is I'm focusing on that $25 a day goal, which I was talking about, but I'm not buying enough contracts to get a $25 return off a 1 penny upward move in the contract price. So I would need to buy 25 contracts for the bid to move up 1 penny and for me to make $25. The most I can make for 1 penny is $10, or about $8 what I made today. But I'm looking for a push up. I want more. And I'm noticing that these, at first I didn't think I had to worry about the theta of these contracts that expire today. But now I'm noticing that I do have to worry about them, because I was looking at the price of a 339 call. So instead of holding wait, let me back that up really quick. So I was looking at the price right now at 338. A price of a 339 call is like $25. Toward the end of the day, the price came back. So this stock ended up going down a lot. It dropped, it sold off a lot, and it came back up. The price of the 339 contract after lunchtime was around $12. So even if I hold this stock for a couple hours and it sells off and then it comes back to around where I bought it at, I'm still going to lose money, because it expires today. The theta is eating it. That's the time decay. It's eating at the stock so fast because there's only hours until expiration. So once this thing expires below 339, it's worth $0. I would actually need 339 plus the premium of what I paid for the stock to break even. Here it is right here, 339.25. So I made a good move here. I ended up cutting my losses fast, because it's just consolidating. It just looks like it's gonna fail. We're below, so I sold. Unlike last time, I sold it. I took an $12 loss right there, which wasn't bad. I was at 780 something, which was the high of my account. So I'm thinking, so now I'm just trying to revenge trade, I think. And if I held that, if I held that for this other candle, I could have sold that at a profit. So there's the push up, and I'm thinking, all right. I'm just in a rush to get into this. And wait, am I filled on this? Nope, I missed it. But my last order would have did me pretty good. So here I'm looking at the 10 more contracts I'm trying to buy. Because I didn't spend that much. These are so cheap. I think I spent 300 bucks on that last. See, I'm filled on this. I should have just sold it right there. Could have made $5. So I would have only been down $5. But I'm still looking for the big push up. And it ends up really dropping. 35 bucks. There, I have to cut my losses there. I have to sell. I have no... And then this thing ends up like just failing. So good thing I cut it right there. Why didn't I get out right there? Why am I still in this? I know I got out. Why did I not get out at that last sell order? Did I cancel it? Oh, because I had it on a limit. I had it on a limit. So now I'm just trying to sell at the market. So here we go. So right there I should have sold. I would have not made that much of a loss. But right there, this thing ends up failing. So I sold there for a $53 loss. And I actually end up doing one more contract off of the books, off of the recording screen. I did one put contract, I think. And I made $3. So I ended up being out $50, almost $50 even for the day. I hate recording these videos, but it is what it is. So there's my $8 I made today, my $50 I lost yesterday. So I'm going to go to the live screen and see what's going on with the SPY right now. So I'll be right back. Alright, so today's trade was right around here. This thing ended up reversing, breaking down through the 200 moving average, 336.61, and it's gonna definitely break. It's gonna stay above this, I think. Let me see what I have left for buying power. $61. I don't know why I keep pressing that. See what the 1 minute's looking like. I can buy one contract. Cause I think that it just hit a low for $58, $59. One contract. Could try to make a couple more dollars. Next 5-minute candle. Right on that 200 moving average. I think I'm going to be done for the day. It's not worth me buying one contract. Yeah, and I don't like buying puts. So I'm done for the day. I'll wait till tomorrow. Good thing about options, my funds are available every single day. Bright and early. So tomorrow I'll have $740 in buying power. $8 for the day, negative 42 for the week. And for the month, up 91 bucks. For the week, like I said, I'm down 42. And there's still a couple more days this week, so we'll see what happens. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like and subscribe if you did, if you're not a subscriber. And I'll see you guys in the next one.